welcome back to another video. I'm just showing you here how I use this Dark and Lovely bleach hair color to color my hair. So this is basically what's inside of the package. That's the color actually in bottle number 2, and this is the conditioner, which is number 3. And then I have the other package, which is package number 1. So I have 2 of this package number 1, which I'm gonna put inside the bottle that you saw me that I showed you earlier actually. So that's the second package of package number 1, and that was the instruction, and that's the cover that I have to use to cover the bottle before I shake it, and those are the gloves and the instruction. So right here it's the way I section my hair. This is actually how I wanted my hair to be sectioned, because I'm gonna do the crown part of my hair. I'm not gonna do the whole thing. So here it is, I'm showing you again. So now the next thing I'm going to do is start to mix my colors. So those are the gloves, I'm just putting them on. Yeah, so I'm just putting on my gloves right now. They're pretty big, they were really big, oh my gosh, like but anyways, I managed to put them on, and I'm starting to mix my colors together as I pour it inside the bottle. I had to take my gloves off because they were too big. So that's number 2, that's package. That's second number 1 package that I'm pouring inside the bottle. So make sure that you pour every single thing that's in the package into the bottle. Every single one of it. Oh, now I'm pouring number 2, sorry. This is the second pack of number 1. Excuse me, that I'm putting into the bottle. So that's the cap I showed you guys earlier. So I use it to close the bottle, and then I shake it. So I have to shake it for at least I think 1 minute. So all you have to do is just make sure you follow exactly what's in the instruction, so that you can do your hair properly, you know, the timing and all. So just make sure you read the instruction very well, properly, so you don't damage your hair or, you know, do anything. So after I shook it and I put the bottle, so but anyways, so let's keep going. So now I'm getting my nape area ready for the coloring. So I forgot to film putting the color in from the beginning, but anyway, so here it is. So I already put some color in there. So right here I'm just adding more color. So I basically used the whole bottle, guys. I didn't need to use the whole bottle because I believe that it was enough actually, because I didn't do my whole head, just my crown area. But I'm like, you know, I might as well just use the whole bottle because I don't want to waste it. So I basically poured the whole bottle into my nape area. So right now I'm just making sure I get all the areas that I needed to cover, especially I have locks. So I was making sure that, you know, I have the color go into my locks so that, you know, the color can, you know, come out properly. So now I'm just gonna cover my head with a bag. I have a bag. I don't have no shower cap or anything like that, so I just took a plastic bag, which was good enough. So yeah, so I just tied my head with a plastic bag, you know, to keep the heat in. So just make sure you follow the instruction, okay guys? Make sure you follow instruction, you read it, and you do exactly what it says. So I left it for I think less than half an hour. Yeah, just see what the time that the instruction says to do, so just follow that. So that's what I did. So while I was on there, oh my gosh, I took it off. My hair was so hot, and I'm like, whoa. And my hair color changed so fast, guys, like the fastest ever. So now I'm just using the conditioner. So I put it in my hair according to the instructions. So that was the conditioner I put in. I actually make my hair look purple. Yeah, but anyway, so I put in the conditioner and I left it for a few minutes according to the instruction, and then I rinsed it out. And here it is. This is what it's looking like. I am just using paper towel to dry my hair, to take out the excess water, and that is it. That is it. And my goodness, I love it. And if you notice too, this video is a little bit old. My hair has grown out a lot. Just I didn't have no chance to show you guys this video. So guys, this is it. This is the end result, and I love it. I hope you guys love it too. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching this video this far. Thank you so much for coming. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also leave a comment to let me know what you think. Yes guys, oh my goodness, look at it. Like, this is the first time I actually was able to get my hair the color that I wanted, so yes guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.